Power BI and PowerPoint, a powerful combination for data visualization, is now generally available. So now let's look into it in practical. This is my Power BI report, and the new feature what they have added is not only we can share or embed the report entirely into PowerPoint, but we can embed just one single visual into our PowerPoint. If you click on the three dot icon of this particular visual, and then first option which you have is the share. When you click on that, you get three more options, which is link to selection and open in Teams and open in PowerPoint. Now I will click on link to selection. Once I click on that, it's going to open up a pop-up window. So click on the copy. So this is going to generate a link. Copy the link, Control C, and then so open now the PowerPoint. But now both the email account with PowerPoint and as well as in your Power BI has to be the same. And now in PowerPoint, go to Insert tab, and now you will see this Power BI as a separate options. Once you click on that, it's going to add a visual kind of interface onto the canvas where you will get an option to paste your URL. And once you paste your URL, Control V, what you have copied from the previous section, and click on Insert, it is going to generate that visual inside to your PowerPoint. I have just realigned the visual to be on the right side, and now at the bottom you have two more options. Once you click on that, you will get an option about data insight. If you click on that, it actually brings up the smart narrative features of Power BI and give you these smart narrations, and you can add it into your Power BI report into your PowerPoint. Please try out and let me know what you like the most of these two combinations, Power BI and PowerPoint.